The following video will contain some very delicious food, so you may not want to watch an empty stomach. Hey everyone, Scott or the Scottman, and we're here to do a Travel Delights video today. First on my week-long trip here in Canada. We're in front of Bottega. Supposed to have some really good sandwiches inside. I can't wait to eat one. It's located here in the ByWard Market. That's just right across the street from the building here. It's starting to rain a little harder, so why not go inside and dry off? Yeah, it's a lot drier in here, but yeah. What's unique about Bottega is that it's an Italian market. Got some great products you can buy. So a lot of them are even import from Italy. Up, and you can buy some extra virgin olive oil too. Great for cooking, by the way. Fresh olives. Then here, look at all the cheese. Wow. Okay, got some sauces, fresh pasta. You can buy some different meats, and then come over here. You can order some of their sandwiches I was telling you about at the beginning of the video. So what you can do is you order at the counter. You can select your bread from getting, you can get like a panini, a baguette, or focaccia, and then you could get cheese like provolone, mozzarella. You can choose one of the meats from up there, and then also your different toppings like mustard, hot peppers, onions, olives, etc. All right, got my sandwich, got some water, and then pay for your sandwich. You just go up to the cash register and pay up there. I'll see you outside. All right, made it back outside. Thankfully, they bagged this up for me, so that was very nice of them. But it's a little wet outside, so yeah, they got tables right in front. But I'm gonna eat over here. I checked for any no loitering signs. Thankfully, there aren't any, so I should be fine here. Yeah, this looks delicious. Decided to get the mortadella and the Italian ham. The mortadella is for what the person was telling me, it's kind of like an Italian bologna. But yeah, like you get two sandwiches for like $6.95. This looks delicious. Taste how fresh the meats are. Got some mustard, lettuce, and onion on with it too. So this is so flavorful. Great combination of meats, vegetables, mustard, and you can also get mayonnaise or a Dijon, and then also your cheese. I got mozzarella. This is awesome. But when it comes to great food at a very low price, you definitely get a sandwich from Bottega. I'm gonna eat the rest of this off camera now. My left foot fell asleep a little bit sitting on the ground like that, but I had to take shelter from the rain a little bit, but it's let up a little bit. But that sandwich is really good. I really enjoyed it. But when it comes to great sandwiches, again, it's like, yeah, according to TripAdvisor, it's like this is the #1 sandwich place in all of Ottawa, and also a great little grocery too. Definitely have to check out Bottega. So if you enjoyed this video made you really hungry, definitely give this video a like or a thumbs up, and for more great Travel Delights videos, definitely have to click on this button over. It's not really a button, but the video thumbnail for more great videos. So thanks for watching. This is Scott, or the Scottman, signing out.